Valentine's Day. We got our cafe, Starbucks. We stopped at Starbucks. We're gonna go kayaking. We got our kayak on the roof.
Wonderful kayaks.
It's about an hour drive from where we are. Jenner, where the Russian River meets the ocean. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a little cloudy. That's good for my skin, so I don't get too sunburned.
Lobster.
But yeah, stay tuned. We're here.
20 minutes.
Now we gotta unload our yaks. Yeah.
I'm ready.
This is the location. We're gonna park the car right over there. My tie-dye Crocs. Ooh. Ah.
Converse over here.
Don't fall in.
Don't say that. That's the worst you can do. No. Oh. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared.
Hey.
Stop it.
Yeah, go left. And she's off. My turn. Woo! We out here, Survivor. We've been out here for 18 days, surviving on fishes we catch in our kayak. We just went through a rainstorm. Stay tuned, we're hanging in there. We're trying to find shelter. You know? I like it.
I love it. The weather is actually great. I don't like swimming.
Hell yeah. The water is nice too, it's pretty blue. No current, which is good. We didn't really want a current because we didn't want to try too hard. But we're gonna go in like a loop. It's like around this whole thing. We're gonna go all the way to the right. Go this way, and then the ocean is right over there. We're gonna see if we can get in there, catch some dolphins. We found shelter for the night. We're gonna post up right in there, build a fire. I'm gonna catch some fish down here. I seen some earlier.
Surviving. Oh, look.
I could be on.
Look at this.
I could be on Survivor.
Look how like not deep it is.
I know. Tree stump right there. Look, there's a tree right there.
Wonderful day.
A little breezy, a little current. We're gonna try to dip in the ocean that way. Surf's up. Sun came out a little more. My white ass forehead. It's still a little breezy though. Yeah. Land ashore. Oh yeah, I got some gloves. They're in my compartment right there.
My hands.
No gloves. Gloves. Yeah, but we decided to post up right over here on this little ledge.
Taking a little break.
Taking a little break. Current's kind of strong, a lot of wind. Current changed on us. We'll go on right over there, the ocean. And we're gonna lap around over there. But we're just in this little nice water. Not too shabby. We're back. Almost fell in. My whole
Here, I didn't even notice.
drenched.
Oh wait, like bad.
Yeah, we
Never
had
again.
to go back. We didn't make it to the ocean.
We're not gonna go back. You're insane. That was crazy.
No, I'm saying we had to go back
Oh.
because I almost tipped my kayak and I got
I
drenched.
should have recorded that.
My whole ass is wet, but it was fun. We made it back barely. Now we're gonna go load up the kayaks, probably get some food, some drinks.
Look, I'm shaking.
Hey, nice nails. And we might go to one of these beaches because we passed a bunch of beaches on the way here, so we might check out that later.
Ew, I got
How was
something in
it?
my eye. It was amazing.
Hell yeah. We parked right up there, so we're just gonna load up. Yeah. The restaurant was closed. They don't open until 4:30. So we're gonna take a drive back, and we're going to
Bag of crab.
Bag o' Crab. But check out this view. Nice view. Hell yeah. That concludes our kayaking journey. Maybe we'll bring you to Bag o' Crab, but probably not. It's gonna get messy. Finger licking good.